Hi, this video will show you guys how to solve question number 5 from exercise 8H. Alright, so question number 5 is a little bit different from the questions that we have talked about so far, where instead of having numbers, our categories, instead of numbers, they are intervals, right? So we have 5 to 9, total of nine students that knows 5 to 9 words, 11 students that knows 10 to 14 words, so on and so forth, right? So when we have intervals, right, when we are given the intervals, we always start by finding the midpoints. Alright, so how do you find the midpoints? Over here, as you can see on my screen, I've already found the midpoints. So let me show you guys on the calculator just to make sure that we all know how to find the midpoints. So turn the calculator on the right, I have TI-84, and I'm just going to add the two intervals. So 5. So over here, I'm doing this one right there. Right? So 5 plus 9, whatever that answer is, divided by 2. Alright, so basically we're taking kind of the average of those two, the average of the intervals. So that's how I got that 7. Alright, for the next one, 10, 14. So 10 plus 14, I'm going to use parentheses just to 10 plus 14 divided by 2, that gives me 12. That's how I get the 12. Alright, so I'll give you guys a few minutes and you guys should be able to get all these midpoints. Alright, and that is what I'm going to use to insert into my L1. Right, so by now we all should know how to use the calculator to find the standard deviation. So go to Stat, Edit, and then for my L1, I'm gonna put those points in there. Okay, so go ahead, pull your calculator out, and pause the video. Put 7, 12, 17, 22, and so on. All this data that you see, the midpoints, put them down on L1, and for L2, we would have the frequencies 9, 11, 10, 20, 10, 12, and all this data, all of that goes to the L2 column. Alright, go ahead, pause the video, put that in your calculator. Okay, so welcome back. I hope you guys have already put the values in your calculator, both your L1 and L2. Alright, so now we're almost done. So now let's go back to Stat. Go to Stat, and then we go to Calc, one variable Stat, click on 1. So for my list is L1, my frequency list, make sure frequency list is my L2. So if you don't have this, go to second list, second Stat, and then you should see your L2, choose your L2, enter, and then click on calculate. Alright, so over here they want us to find the standard deviation. So again, standard deviation is the sigma over here, right? So my standard deviation in this case would be approximately 14.9, right? Approximately 14.9. Remember, when we talk about standard deviation, we're talking about the sigma, right? Hope this video helped. See you guys.